guys, so I haven't vlogged all day because I've literally been feeling like this all day. I'm so tired, like I don't understand how I got this tired. Oh, I woke up this morning and it actually hurt to wake up. I was like, I'm not going for a run today, and that was it. I just didn't. So I did the school run, and then I came home expecting to edit yesterday's vlog and upload it. And my friend Laura rang me for like an hour, which set the whole system back. And then I managed to edit and get it uploaded before I was leaving the house. Then somebody else rang me, which stopped the upload from happening. I was like, great. And then came home, managed to get it uploaded, have lunch, and I had like a decent lunch and stuff like that. Had omelette and salad, and then I've just been craving sugar all day, you know, because I've been so bad on the weekends. Just to suddenly gung-ho cold turkey stop having sugary stuff and treats, my body's just gone, no, nah, not having it. So I just had some porridge and I had some sugar on it, and then I was like, no, still not satisfied. So then I had one of Holly's like golden syrup porridges. Not good. Not good. I stepped on the scales today and I'm 10 stone 10. So that would be a gain of £7. So I did say I would gain £7 this week, as it was kind of like a joke. But like, yeah. So I could have been really good today, but I've had 2 extra bowls of porridge in my life that I didn't really need. I've had a lot more slices of ham in my life because I've just been picking that I didn't really need. So most definitely salad and tuna tonight, the biggest salad I can make. And then I'm just going to have to come to bed and try and sleep because, wow, it's super hot today as well. It's such a lush day. I wasn't expecting it to be so nice. So I have managed to get a load of washing washed and out and hung. And then I've got another load of washing washed in the washing machine ready to be hung. But I'm just going to do that tomorrow now because it's like, what time is it? 5:20. So yeah. So when Holly napped earlier, I napped. But there was some like people, the council cutting the grass outside or something. It was just so noisy. But yeah, I've just asked my friend. Like, he sent me a Snapchat. He's just like, oh, I'm just off to training. And I'm just like, I haven't done any training today. Give me a fucking slap and a pep talk. He's just like, you need to push yourself harder. And I'm just like, yeah, you need to say it a bit more harshly than that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna like laugh at you and be like, oh my god. My look hanging, my skin's completely acting out as well because I've eaten so much crap on the weekend. Look at that. My eyebrows look like, I don't know, some sort of werewolf. I can't believe how fast they've grown. I had them done a week before the wedding, which was only 2 weeks ago, so that's like a 3-week growth. Fucking first world woman problems. Oh my god. So yeah, hopefully my friend can give me a better pep talk than you need to go harder. Because I really do need sorting out. I need telling off big time. Don't I, Holly? I need telling off, don't I? Mummy ate too much food on the weekend. Yeah? Is Mummy fat or is Mummy pretty? We don't want Mummy to be fat though, do we? No. You want me to be pretty? Don't. You're nice, Lolly. Okay. Be there now. So yeah. Story of my life. I just want to go to bed. I can't cope. Why? I'm never like this. I am never. If you've been watching me for a long time, I am never, ever like this. So I like to waste a day basically sleeping in bed. You know there's something wrong. Not wrong, but like genuinely tired for me to do something like that. Because I'm not a day waster at all. Meh. Feel awful. Feel worse for being awful as well. It's like a catch-22, isn't it? You feel crap and sluggish because you haven't done anything, and then you don't do anything because you feel crap and sluggish. It's a vicious cycle. So tomorrow I've got Weight Watchers. I'll just go and take the gain and be done with it, and then start fresh. Meh. Need a pep talk. If you're watching, you know who you are. Shout at me. Come and train with me. It needs to be trained.